Here is how you can do more reps with push-ups. If you're still struggling with your push-ups, here are some of the exercises that you can do in order for you to be stronger and get more reps out of your push-ups. But before we start, I also have a tutorial on how to get more reps with your pull-ups, so make sure to check that video out if you need so. The push-up exercise mainly targets our chest muscles, our shoulders, and our triceps. So basically, if you guys want to look more massive, more masculine, definitely do push-ups. And one more thing before we start, please do not do your push-ups with an arched back like this. It is bad form and you're not going to gain much from it, and it just looks pretty weird. Now the first exercise is for people that can't really do that much push-ups yet. Get a chair or a bench and you're going to be doing incline push-ups. This is going to make the push-up a lot easier because you're not pushing as much body weight as you are in the real push-up, and because you're a bit inclined, gravity doesn't pull you down as much as it does on the regular push-up. Now the next exercise is for people that really can't do a single push-up yet. This is called the knee push-up. This exercise is going to be 10 times easier than the inclined push-ups because now you're pushing half of your body weight only. And that is basically how you get strong at push-ups. Just do push-ups every single day. At least do 10, 15, 20 every time you wake up. This, in my opinion, is still one of the most underrated exercise that you can do at home because, bro, you're working out almost all of your upper body muscles just by doing push-ups. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and find this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe on what videos I should do next. And also don't forget to check out my video about pull-ups. It's gonna be super helpful, especially when you're just starting out your calisthenics journey.